Summertime's approaching, and I know once that comes, everyone's looking to slim down this, right? So it's all about resistance band and core exercises today. Hey guys, it's Coach Joe from Stay Fit Anywhere, where I help you get lean, stay lean, no matter where you want to exercise. So the weather's starting to turn, it's getting a little bit warmer. Like in Canada anyways, it's getting a little bit warmer. So, if you already live in a warm place, great. I'm envious of that. But, so in saying that, today it's all about resistance band and core exercises you can do at home. And when I use the word core, what do you think of? I know a lot of people think core is abs, but core isn't just abs. Core is basically your whole trunk of your body. So that's your abdominals, that's your obliques or transverse, and that's your lower back and your multifidus, right? So these are areas that help kind of stabilize your whole entire trunk of your body, right? And those are just primary muscles. Obviously there's other stabilizers and secondary muscles that help out with that, but you can't interchange the word abs with core because abs don't include core, but core includes abs, if that's not too confusing. So today I'm going to show you 6 resistance band core exercises you can easily do at home. I've been doing a lot of resistance band workouts lately, and you can catch it all on my resistance band playlist. If you're liking this channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button, push that bell notification, and you'll know when I upload my videos, which is usually weekly. So here we go. This exercise is the resistance band wood chop. It's going to target your obliques and your transverse. So what you want to do is anchor the band somewhere above you, make sure it's nice and solid. And when you're actually twisting through, keep your arms straight and you want to lead with your hips. So you don't want to be just turning the body from your shoulders, your upper body, but you actually want your hips to be leading and then everything else turns. Keep your abdominals engaged as you go through and exhale as you twist. This exercise is the resistance band reverse wood chop. So you want to anchor the band somewhere below your knee so you can have a cross body motion going from bottom to top. So you want to start off with your hands roughly around your hip height, and when you're twisting you want to end up around shoulder height. Same thing, you want to be able to lead with your hips, meaning you don't want your upper body to turn first. You want to turn your hip and everything else rotates with that motion. Keep your abdominals tight. Exhale as you're chopping upwards. So this exercise is the resistance band reverse crunch. You want to lay flat on your back, have your band anchored to something solid. Place the band slightly above your knee, probably even to about mid-thigh. What you want to do is crunch up by bringing your knees close to your chest. So as you're going through this movement, try to keep your back as flat on the ground as possible. This exercise is the resistance band plank knee drive. So you want to get into your plank position with your arms fully extended, anchor your band on something solid, place the band on the front of one foot, and drive the knee towards your chest. So as you're pulling, you want to make sure you're maintaining neutral posture. So that means relatively flat back, no hip drop, and no back arch or rounding of your back. So this exercise is the resistance band core rotation. So in this video you can see I'm anchoring the resistance band roughly between my belly button and my chest. So right in the center of my torso. From there, I'm going to step away, make sure that there's no slack in the resistance band. My feet are hip width apart with a slight knee bend, arms are straight, and as I rotate, I'm leading with the hips, meaning my hips are turning first and then the rest of my body follows. make sure like that you exhale when you're twisting. It's a fantastic exercise to stabilize your core from the front of your abdominals to your obliques or your transverse into the lower back where the multifidus is. So just a fantastic beginner exercise to make sure that you're stabilizing and creating core strength. This exercise is the resistance band double leg drop. So you want to lay flat on your back, have your legs relatively straight, wrap the bands around the bottom of both feet, have your hands anywhere along the band that creates enough tension for you and enough resistance to make your lower abdominals work. And as you're going through this movement, as your legs drop, exhale. To make it a bit more challenging, you can put yourself into a V-sit position. So now you're doing a V-sit double leg drop. Thanks for watching up till now. That was 6 exercises, and just for that, you're gonna get one bonus one. Here we go. This exercise is your resistance band kneeling wood chop. Similar to the standing resistance band wood chop, you're starting off in a lunge position with your back knee actually on the ground. Have your arms relatively straight, and when you're twisting cross body from your front leg to your opposite hip. So you want to make sure you're engaging the core, hitting your transverse, hitting your obliques all the way through, and when you rotate, make sure you're exhaling. So those were 6 resistance band core exercises plus one bonus one, all using resistance bands. And if you want to make it more challenging for you, like these were exercises that are great for beginners, but you can also do them if you're advanced. All you need to do is get a heavier resistance band, or change up the angles, or hold the movements a little bit longer. So any type of, variation when you're actually doing your workouts, it's going to make it more intense and more challenging for you if you're more of an intermediate to advanced. So how are you using resistance bands to improve your workout? If you have any questions or comments, or if you want to know different exercises, leave them in the comments below. I'll be glad to answer them. And remember, hit that subscribe button, click that bell notification, and you'll see you in my next video, which is starting now.